Information about timber market in Afghanistan. I can provide you with some general information about the timber industry in Afghanistan. Afghanistan has vast forests that cover about 2.1 million hectares of land. The country's timber industry has the potential to be a significant contributor to the national economy, but it has been hindered by decades of war, political instability, and illegal logging. Illegal logging is a significant problem in Afghanistan, with an estimated 60% of the country's timber trade being conducted illegally. This has resulted in the depletion of the country's forests, environmental degradation, and loss of biodiversity. The Afghan government has taken steps to address illegal logging and promote sustainable forestry practices. In 2015, the government established the National Environmental Protection Agency, NEPA, to oversee and regulate the country's natural resources, including its forests. The government has also implemented a ban on the export of unprocessed timber, which aims to promote local processing and job creation. Overall, the timber market in Afghanistan is still in its early stages of development, but there is potential for growth if sustainable forestry practices are implemented and illegal logging is addressed.